Hello, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today we're going to fix some wings here. But now this is a new recipe I got for these wings, and I got it from, I don't want to mess up his name, but it's How to Barbecue Right. And of course, I'm not going to cook them outside like he did on the grill. He used a Weber grill, but we're going to use this NINJA FOODi DELUXE. And I'm just going to experiment with them. This might not work out at all, and that might not even be really good, but we're going to try and see, because when he cooked them, he made it look really good, so we're going to see if we can make it look good. So here, first thing we're going to do, of course, is cut these wings up. You know, and all you got to do is just, and it's like he said, he's told the truth about that. Seems like when you buy the whole wings like this, seems like you get they're a little bit bigger. And so, and these are nice looking wings here. See how big that flat is right there? See, and that's a nice looking drumette. Okay, so we'll cook these. Now when I bought these, it said never frozen on the label. Now these got ice in them, so they've been really cold. Whether they've been frozen or not might be a whole different story. But see, there's nothing to cutting them up like this, you know. So that one's got a feather on it. I don't want that part there anyhow. So and try your best not to cut your finger off while you're doing this. It helps. Helps you find, there you go, when you find that joint, your knife just goes right on through there like that. So you just have to look around and find the joint a little bit. I'm trying not to touch these with my right hand here, because that's the hand I'm cutting them with. I don't want to get my knife contaminated. And so anyway, we'll keep on cutting these up here, and we'll be back when we finish cutting them. I know you don't want to sit here and watch that, but while you're taking a break from watching me do this, how about joining our channel and give us a thumbs up? We sure appreciate it. And thank you very much, all you people that watches our videos. It means a lot to us. So we'll be back. Okay, now especially when I'm doing chicken, I like to always make sure I Clorox this cutting board when I'm finished real good. And I lay my knife up there and put a little bit on that too. Of course I have to change shirts to do that, because I don't want to take a chance on splattering this bleach on a good shirt. So the way I like to do is just put it on that cutting board and let it sit there for about 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 minutes. Long enough for you to put your bleach back up. Okay, and then after that, you can come in here and scrub it off good like this, you know, just wipe it down good. Everything I like to wipe over this, and make sure you got gloves on when you do this, if you've got any gloves left. Alright, now that way it makes sure that bleach gets down all them little cut places and all. Get all that chicken juice out of there. Okay, and now just dry it off, put everything up. Now when you get ready to start again, all you have to do is, at the very most, is wipe off your cutting board with a damp rag and you're ready to go. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do, and like I said, this is not exactly like what he did it, but that's just a variation. And I want to see if it comes out anywhere near as good as his does. Of course, I know it's not going to be as good as his does, but we'll see. Now, first thing I'm going to do, I've got this 6½ ounce can of cornstarch here. Put in this bag, and that might not be enough, might have to get some more. I'm going to take this Lawry's chicken and poultry rub. I'll put 2 tablespoons of that down there. I might need more of that too. Like I say, this is just an experiment. Because I can't hardly cook a piece of chicken while I don't put Lawry's or something on it, you know. So, alright, now, next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take my Evo oil sprayer here, and I got olive oil on it. I'm going to spray just a little bit on these wings. I'm going to mix them up a little bit like that. And I'm just, now I wash these off. And I'm just doing this so that all that mixture there will stick to them better. You know, so. Now supposedly this is supposed to give these wings that, I don't know, fried taste, you know, I mean fried look and all. So we're going to see how it's going to turn out here in a minute. And like I say now, I'm doing these in the NINJA FOODi Deluxe, and he did his on the grill, so we might not have anywhere near the same results, you know. But they look so good when he did them, I thought, well, I'm going to have to try that and see. I'm going to shake these up right here. Telling Kay about this earlier. She said, I've never seen any wings cooked in cornstarch before. So I said, well, you know, I'm not sure what we're going to have either. I said, we'll go find out. Okay, now we'll come over here and put these in the NINJA FOODi Deluxe. So we're going to try to knock off a little bit of this excess when I get them out here. And now, you know, I usually cook about, well, I would cook all these in the NINJA FOODi Deluxe at one time. And just sort of shake them up as I go along. But I don't know if any of this coating will stay on there, you know, if you do it like that. But I might find out here. So, like I said, it's just an experiment. It might not work at all, you know. Might just be wasting my time, or wasting our time, and running Kay's supper. So, but she wanted wings tonight, and so I said, okay, we'll have wings. I'll tell you now, they look good. I don't know whether to try to make 2 cookings. I think I'm just going to have to put the rest of them in there and go ahead and see if I can cook them all just like I usually do in the NINJA FOODi Deluxe. So, stand by. Okay, now being this is the first time I've ever tried this, I really want these to turn out good. And so I'm just going to cook, I've got 12 in there now, and I'm going to just leave these 12 sitting here until they probably finish, and then I'll put these in there, and we'll have 2 cooks of them. Okay, and there you see them down there. That's 12 of those chicken wing parts. And so now the next thing we're going to do here, we're going to shut the lid and turn on the power. Okay, and it's on air fry, and we're going to leave it on air fry, and we're going to run up the time 2 more minutes, and then we're going to hit the start button. Of course, now I'm never going to let those stay in there for 22 minutes without doing anything to them. In a few minutes, I'm going to go ahead and raise the lid and mix them up a little bit, or at least turn them over or something like that, just to make sure they're cooking. So we'll be back in a few minutes. While I'm thinking about it, don't forget to wash your hands, stay away from everybody, and stay home. Stay home with me and watch our videos. Watch all YouTube videos, but watch mine first. So, we'll be back. Well, I got to think about these wings sitting over here on this rack just doing nothing. And remembered I do have the Ninja Max sitting back there, air fryer. And so I thought we'll put the rest of them in this Ninja Max air fryer and put them in there and get them going at the same time. So let me see if I can get that going here. Let's see, move this over here. See a little bit better. Over here. Now let's put these down in there just like I did in the Ninja FOODi Deluxe. I have to watch this thing here though, because I declare I think it's a little bit faster than the Ninja FOODi Deluxe. But it might not be. So okay, now we'll put these back over here in the Ninja Max. See how easy that drawer goes. That just amazes me every time I use this thing, how easy that goes in like that. Here you turn on the power, and you go to air fryer, and it goes to 390 by default, and then you go to your time, and it's at 20, and we'll put 22 on it, and then you hit your start button. Okay, now it's tuck off going. So now we'll be back in a couple of minutes and see how they're going. It's not going to be long before it's time to check these in the Ninja FOODi Deluxe. Okay, now I've been there about 10 minutes. Let's take a look. Well, they're starting to brown up a little bit here and there, but they're still pretty white. So we're going to let it keep on going, so we'll be back. Okay, now we're down to 14 seconds here. To be honest with you, I snatched one out and tried it. It was really good. Of course, I forgot to add any salt and pepper to my mixture when I was doing it, so you need to add some salt and pepper when you're doing it. Now, these are not quite as crunchy as I thought I was hoping that they would be, but they're pretty good. Not bad at all. You can see down there now, that looks like fried chicken that you'd get somewhere, you know, and it looks real good. And now the Ninja FOODi Max over here, or Ninja Max over here, quit at the same time. I want you to see these. These are beautiful too. I'll tell you the truth, I think the Ninja Max done a little bit better job on the Ninja FOODi Deluxe, but we'll have to wait with taste. Okay, now these are the ones out of the Ninja Max here, the regular just Ninja Max air fryer. They look great too, don't they? But I'm sure both of them's going to be great. So let me get them out here so you can take a look at them. Okay, now after further review, I can't hardly tell the difference between which one come out of the Ninja FOODi Deluxe and which one come out of the Ninja Max over here. But now these right here is the one that comes out of the Ninja FOODi Deluxe, and these come out of the Ninja Max. And it's hard to tell the difference, and I'll tell you what, they sure are good and crispy, just like the man said. So, you know, you might want to give them a try sometime. Okay, so that about does it for this little video. Now, I just want to show you, now this is the way Kay fixes her plate, and she's got some celery here, and she's going to have some Hidden Valley Ranch home-style dressing, and then she's going to use some Smithville barbecue sauce for dipping. Me, I'm going to use this Frank's Red Hot sauce for dipping, and I'll use some of the Hidden Valley Ranch on my celery, and that's going to be dinner. So we're about ready for it. It's a little late for us. So till next time, y'all have a real good and safe day. Don't forget to wash them hands and stay away from everybody, and come back and see us real soon. And thank you very much for watching our videos. Goodbye now.